Hello, engineers. So let's try to solve this sample problem taken from the past REE board exam. So yung problem natin is a separately excited DC motor runs at 800 revolution per minute with constant field excitation while having an armature current of 40 amperes at 115 volts. The armature resistance is 0.15 ohms. Determine the back EMF of the motor. Okay, engineers, let's try to solve this problem using a purely Caltech solution. So sa calculator ni engineers is enter mode 3 and then 2. So mode 3, 2, mode 3, 2. So magkakaroon tayo ng display na X at saka Y column. And then sa X at saka Y column natin or sa table natin, mag-i-input tayo ng for X is yung mga current at saka for Y column is yung back or counter EMF. At the first row, that is source voltage divided by 0.15 ohms or the armature resistance. Kung ganito yung current natin, yung magiging back EMF niya is 0. Kung 0 naman yung current natin, yung ating back EMF is equivalent lang doon sa ating source voltage. So that will be 115 divided by 0.15. So yung back EMF niya is 0. At current 0, yung back EMF niya is 115. So sa calculator natin, input natin to. 115 divided by 0.15. 0 yung back EMF. And then at current 0, yung back EMF natin is 115. So this will be our display. And then enter EC. So enter EC. So para ma-solve natin yung ating back EMF or back EMF is input lang natin to. Yung armature current tapos Y hat. So yung armature current natin dito is 40, then lagyan lang natin ng Y hat. Where yung Y hat natin is shift 155. So armature current natin is 40, then Y hat, shift 155. Then enter equal. So enter equal natin, engineers. So that is 109 volts. So let's simulate again the calculator technique. Mode 3, 2, and then 115 divided by 0.15, and then 0, tapos 0, and then 115. So EC, that is 40 Y hat. So that is 109 volts. So yun lang. I hope marami kayong natutunan sa video na to and maraming salamat sa panonood. See you next time.